Hello everybody, this is Rima Bhavsar, your Austin local realtor, making your home buying and selling stress-free. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. But I can't wait to showcase this model home right behind me. It's a Parmer model built by Milestone. This model home that we're going to tour is got 2865 square footage, 3-bedroom, flex room, study room, and it's got 3 levels. You're going to absolutely love every single corner that this model has to offer. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, welcome to the Parmer model right here in the Foxfield subdivision. I'm going to go ahead and talk about what this model has to offer while you're in. As soon as you guys enter the model home, you'll see a powder room right here. Lots of natural sunlight. You have the coat hanging closet right here. The garage will be displayed on this side. And then what I love is the open concept. Your kitchen, your dining, your living space is all connected. And this is why a lot of my clients prefer this Parmer model, is because how open and how much natural sunlight this home has to offer. And not only that, guys, this model has about 200,000 of upgrades. So if you like exactly what this model has to offer, do factor in that it is highly upgraded. But hey, if it fits your budget, you can make it just like how this is in this model home. Another thing that I really love is the staircase right here. This is not standard. This is the glass upgrade right here, which is roughly about $8,000. And I'm giving you guys this rough estimates because this is what it is probably now, and it may change when you're under contract or when you're like reaching out to when you're ready basically to start building your home. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and check out this huge, gigantic study room. Obviously, all of that is not standard in the back, you see. This can be converted into a bedroom if you guys wanted. This model home has 3 bedrooms, but you can have up to 5 bedrooms. And as you guys can see, this is very open. So if you're a person that does a lot of work at home or is a professional or needs meetings, I think this fits perfectly of what you're looking for. Not only that, what I love is you can just view what's going on right here from the study room and the sliding glass doors right there. These sliding glass doors are a structural upgrade, so you want to let them know before, when you're starting to build your home. And roughly these sliding doors are going to be around $3,000 to $5,000 depending on what exactly you guys are looking for. So I highly recommend it because with the resale value, I feel like a lot of people that are looking, they love the natural lighting, they love the openness, and you're going to get that with these sliding doors. Now, as we come here in the kitchen, they do have the drawers for their pots and the pans. That's an upgrade for about $700 or so. So as you can see right here, these are the big, huge drawers for the pots and the pans. Obviously, the appliances is also an upgrade. So if you need a list of that, we can get you that. Same thing with the vent hood right here. Now, the other big thing about this model home is the quartz right here. This is an upgrade. I've got a list here, so I'm going to be looking at my phone, so I'm not giving you guys the wrong information. The quartz is probably, it says around $3,000. No, the waterfall actually is a $3,000 upgrade, but the quartz itself, the island, is about $5,800 or so. So again, these are the very rough estimates for you guys to kind of vision what you can have with the money, right? And other thing that I love is this pantry. You got to check it out. It's huge. Okay, so this is your main area where you're going to have the entertainment, all the things that you're going to be doing. We're going to go upstairs now and then show you what that has to offer. So let's go. Okay, this is your second level upstairs, and I'm sure you guys already know what I'm going to head out saying is this space right here. Very cozy, very comfortable for any type of family. I don't think this model has any wasted space that you will not use, right? And then as soon as you go out, this is a patio. These doors are an upgrade, not standard. And you're out here, and this is kind of like a sunroom. It's amazing. I think I will just be here pretty much a lot of my time. I love this feature. I have not seen this feature in a lot of the model homes or any of the builder that's offering this feature. Unique things that they have done here is the rails that they have added, as you can see. And then also they have added the window shields right there, so you don't have any bugs or anything that's coming out. Now, if you want this whole patio to look like this, it's probably going to cost you extra of $9,000, give or take. So, but I feel if I'm building a home, I would really want this feature for sure. This is a really decent patio. I absolutely love it. Okay, now as they're walking there, you guys are going to see two of the bedrooms that are up here. You have a bathroom right here that's for both of the bedrooms. It's got double sink, and then you can go inside and then see how that shower looks like. Yes, the tiles are beautiful. So like I said, again, more than 200K upgrades in this model home. But if you love it, you can totally get this exact floor plan, exact selection. Love this space right here. Anything that you can vision for your family, you can do right here as a setup. And then you have two of the bedrooms right here. There's one right, this one where it has a walk-in closet. So I want you to go ahead and check that out. And they do have a little small, not a balcony, but just like a walk-out kind of thing. And then we're going to go ahead and come to our second bedroom right here, where they have, again, massive walk-in closet and the windows. I really like the window that they have in this walk-in closet. Again, I'm a natural light person, so I like all the lights we can get in the house. So like when you see it from here, you can see how open that is, everything. You have your washer dryer over here. And you have your master room right here. I like it because everybody's close by. You know, if you have kiddos, the rooms are right there. Your master is right here. You've got a beautiful walk-in closet in your master bathroom. Love what they have done with the selection. You also have a walkout from your master bathroom where you can go to your patio / whatever you want to call that. As I call it a sunroom, but whatever you guys want to call it. Now we have one more level that we're going to go upstairs. So let's go. Upstairs, they have made it as just an extra space to do whatever you guys vision to do, but also, again, could be a bedroom. This is a lovely workout space. So if you don't need the 5-bedroom, this is perfect for working out. I love it. You have a bathroom also right here. You also have a closet over here on this side. So like I said, it's a very functional floor plan. And I just got a buyer that went under contract to make it from ground above on this very specific floor plan. And do know that, you know, if you guys do pick a lot, they might have a lot premium. So be mindful on that also. This Parmer plan, the starting price is $864,990. So, you know, and then $200 worth of upgrades plus the lot premium if you're selecting a lot. If you guys enjoy touring this model house and if you think like this is a plan for you, or it may not be the plan for you, they've got lots of different floor plans, anywhere from 1,800 square footage to 2,900 square footage. I've already got several buyers that are starting to build here, and also they have an inventory home list. So if you're interested in that, reach out below, comment below. I'll get you guys those details. But if you're new to my channel again, please go ahead and press that subscribe button. And if you need a realtor anywhere in the world, I've got a link right here in the bottom in the description. Fill that out and I will get you guys connected. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.